Hi, I'm Camilla from the Connect Meetings platform, the official networking service. If you have registered for your badge, you will have received an email from us to activate your account. Follow the link in your email to access your personal matchmaking profile. Confirm the products and services you either offer or are interested in to ensure you get connected with the right people. Finally, create your own password to access your profile. In your profile, you can include interesting information about yourself. Uploading a profile photo will help increase the response rate to your meeting invites. Don't forget to add your mobile number so we can send you SMS reminders at the show. You can update your products and services at any time in the My Interests section. Remember to block out when you are not available for meetings in My Availability. Make sure the My Company section is complete, as other users can view this information. This page stays the same for your colleagues, so it only needs to be updated once. Now you can start searching for meetings. Using the drop-down options, select what you are looking for, then begin your search. You can narrow down your search further by using the Refine Results section, or by using the free text search. If you want to know more about a specific contact, click on the information icon. You can use the star icon to add them to your favourites. When you are ready, press Send Invite and write your concise message explaining what you do and why you would like to meet. You can keep track of your incoming and outgoing meeting invites in the My Meetings section. You can respond to an invite by either declining, forwarding it to a colleague, or accepting. When accepting, you are able to select the time, date, and location of the meeting. You can manage your full show diary in the My Schedule section. Block out time for lunch, seminars, and any other engagements. The recipients choose the time and location of your meeting, so it is important that this is up to date. This will all be included, along with the contact information of your confirmed meeting partners, when we send you your personal meeting schedule the week before the show. You can go back to your profile at any time, or visit the Help and Support page from the drop-down menu next to your name. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance or have any questions, get in touch with the team.